What's up, Zach? Gonna go over your videos real quick. It all looked really good, honestly. Not many improvements to make. You're really getting good at coming out of the hole on squat. Your chest and your hips are rising pretty much at the same time, which is great. It's one thing on here I put in the Discord as well. Just make sure we're in all comp equipment for every lift right now since we're so close to competition. Close grip's looking great as well. You did start pausing your then too. The only thing I got is honestly you're fine. Yeah, just make sure you wear comp equipment again. You're grinding through these reps. Everyone looked pretty identical, except that second rep you're a little more forward, so it's consistent every rep. But you got that slack pulled down, and that leg activation. Everything looks really tight before you go to the lift. Got your single flu as well. Perfect execution coming out of the hole too. Lifts are looking better as they ever have, which is awesome. We really got a lot of momentum going in the competition. We hit some big PRs. You're getting good hip drive the whole entire bench as well as leg drive. You're not really bouncing up out of the hole on the chest. You're keeping that leg drive the entire time, which what we weren't doing before. So we're seeing big improvement there as well. Delts are popping in this video. Them lateral raises are working good. Only thing I got for you here, I don't know if we've ever tried this cue before. When we get about like halfway on this lift, about right here, when you struggle to get the rest of the weight up, I want to cue squeezing your glutes, squeeze those glutes together, and hopefully that'll help you drive your hips through. Because see how you kind of do two separate motions right here, where you start pushing up with your legs, and then you got kind of like full leg extension. You pull just with your back, and then you draw your hips forward. So squeeze those glutes that whole way up. Or once you get halfway to hopefully time that together where you're pulling back as well as bringing your hips forward. High bar squats looking great as well. These look even better than like your low bar with how you keep that chest and hips rising at the same time. Last thing on your bench, but everything looks great, man. This is probably, I say this every week we've been training, but probably the best week of training we've had. So let's keep taking this momentum. About to hit some PRs. You got spot single this week, matching your current or your last PR, and hopefully we'll be able to hit a pretty big PR coming in this last week of the program before we deload. But yeah, good job, man. Let's keep killing it. Hope I see you soon in Arizona.